Nature has a way of showing us beauty that feels far too short-lived. But imagine if you could capture the peak of a spring garden and freeze it forever inside a piece of furniture. That is exactly what we are witnessing today. This isn't just about building a table, it's about a master craftsman who possesses the patience of an artist and the precision of an engineer. Look closely at how he begins by selecting the perfect slab of raw, rustic wood. This isn't just any timber, it's a canvas that needs to be meticulously cleaned, sanded, and prepared to hold a delicate secret. Every crack and every natural void in the wood is seen not as a flaw, but as a home for what's coming next. As we move deeper into the process, the real artistry begins to unfold. He carefully selects dried flowers, ensuring each petal and leaf is perfectly preserved. The arrangement is a slow, meditative dance. He places each bloom with surgical precision because, in the world of resin, there are no second chances. Once the liquid hits, these flowers will stay exactly where they are for decades. This stage requires an incredible eye for composition, balancing colors, shapes, and textures to create a miniature ecosystem that looks like it's floating in mid-air. It's a breathtaking sight to see such fragile nature being prepared for its permanent home. Then comes the most satisfying yet nerve-wracking moment, the pour. The epoxy resin, clear as mountain water, is mixed with absolute perfection. As it cascades over the wood and flows around the flowers, something magical happens. The colors of the petals suddenly ignite, becoming vivid and deep as the resin eliminates the air around them. It looks like liquid diamonds filling a wooden canyon. But don't be fooled by how easy he makes it look. Managing resin is a battle against time and physics. He uses a specialized torch to gently kiss the surface, popping every tiny air bubble that dares to ruin the clarity. This is the stage where the glass is born, and the flowers are finally sealed in their crystal tomb. Once the resin has cured and hardened into a solid rock, the transformation enters its most grueling phase. The craftsman must now strip away the roughness. The sound of the sandpaper becomes the soundtrack of the workshop for hours, if not days. He starts with heavy, coarse grits to level the surface, then moves to finer and finer textures until the wood and resin feel like a single seamless silk sheet. It's a dusty, exhausting process, but it's the only way to achieve that mirror-like finish. Watching the haze of the sanding disappear to reveal the sharp, clear flowers beneath is one of the most rewarding transitions in all of craft. In the final act, the magic is polished to perfection. Buffing compounds and oils are applied, and suddenly, the table comes to life. The wood grain glows with a rich, deep warmth, and the resin becomes so transparent that you'd swear you could reach in and touch the flowers. This is the moment where hours of hard work, sweat, and artistic vision finally pay off. What was once a rough log and a handful of garden blossoms has been transformed into a functional masterpiece, a bridge between the wild outdoors and the comfort of a home. It's a testament to what humans can create when we work in harmony with nature's gifts. A piece like this doesn't just fill a room, it tells a story of time, beauty, and incredible craftsmanship.